Well, hello. So today I'm continuing the interesting Samsung repairs. We'll see how it goes. You saw already the first video. This is another Samsung, also A16, but this is an A16 5G. I think they are quite similar. I don't know. I understand that this one, if connected to a working battery, it heats up somewhere very hard, and it doesn't work at all, so I'm gonna go with it under the microscope. Probably I'm gonna remove the board completely and we're gonna focus on this main board and see what heats up and what's going on here. So see you back under the microscope. Alright, so we have the board here under the microscope. It looks fairly similar to the other A16, the 4G that I tried. So first thing, they said it's heating up, so I'm gonna test here on the battery connector and we have 0.4, so that's fine. Another thing, let's test, because they said it's heating near the CPU. We know from the previous one, if you saw the previous video, that near the CPU is the VBUS over voltage protection. This should be the VBUS, right? Let's see. It appears to be shorted. Yeah, so it's the same VBUS here. Let's see where it goes. So it's the red line here, 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 and it goes here. This seems to be the same over voltage protection circuit. Yeah, it can be this one, it can be this cap, this cap, these caps here, all of them. So I think it's time again to cut the shield, but this is in a bit of a awkward position, so it's a bit different. So let's measure again under the microscope. You see VBUS here is shorted and we should have 0.4, 0.5 as we had on the other one. So let's see how does it look if it's oriented like this. This is freaking annoying. So our chip, I think, should be somewhere here, right? If I look on the this thingy, yeah, it looks like from the SIM trade, so from, but this is different. Wait a minute, so my board is a bit different. It doesn't look the same. A16 5G is the only A16 5G I have. Yeah, and this is not the same. How is this even possible? Let's see what we have here. I'm gonna try to actually remove this. Yeah, so we have a big cap here, but this is different, man. Oh, this is annoying. So under here, on the other one, it was somewhere under there, and we still have the same configuration. Oh, that's weird. So we still have the same configuration here as we had on the 4G. And why do they need to make 3000 models of phones? I don't understand. So let me cut again here. I just want to make sure it's the same configuration. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back under the microscope so you can see what I'm doing. don't want the switch to go there. Sorry for the noise. Okay, let's see. What did I manage to do? It's the same, see? It's the same circuit, also it is heavily burnt. But it's the same as the other one, and it's different from the Borneo schematics that we have there. Okay, let me clean this here. So let's see, will it be the same easy fix? What do you say? I'm gonna remove this over voltage protection thingy. This probably contains some diodes that short themselves. This smells nasty. Okay, and it's off. Right, let's see now that it's off. Do we still have a short on the input and output? This should be the output, no short. This should be the input, and it's open, right? Because we don't have anything connected to it. So now we're fine. And now if we go back here, let's see. So this should be open now. Perfect. Yeah. Easy peasy. So let's see how we can put a wire here. Yeah, and I'm gonna put a wire from this cap to that cap because the board is already extremely burnt there. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, so let's see if we can actually solder this one. So it should be from here, yeah, so in there. Good. Good. Let's break this end, so we don't need it. I'll try to clean it a bit. Yeah, but I think it's a good job. So let's put this back. I don't like this one because I think it's gonna short if it gets there, because this is conductive. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. So let's go now on the VBUS. We should have like 0.4. So let's see, VBUS. What do you know? 0.5. Perfect. Good. So let me put the board back in the casing and see if we get any signs of life. Alright, so I've put everything back together. I'm gonna connect back as much as I could. It still needs the casing, but I've connected the battery. Let's see now. If I connect it to power, we get 5 volt. And we get a charging logo. Yes. Let's see if it powers on. It says 4% battery. Yeah, I don't think the board is properly pressed, so it touches the power button. Let me see if I can maybe do it like this. Yeah, so the phone is booting. I'm gonna put this here because I don't know if there's any face or something on it. I've never started it. It's kind of burning my finger. Ah, yeah. Okay, and we also have touch. We have a working phone, charging 6%. Yeah, it is getting very hot, so I'm gonna disconnect it, and I think it requires everything connected back. Yeah, but this was it. Yeah, another interesting repair. Could be faster, but it's okay. My second Samsung phone. See you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a like, subscribe if you didn't already, and bye for now.